Hello everyone, and welcome to your quick and dirty introduction to how to launch and be in a WebEx meeting, which is one of the platforms we'll be using pretty regularly in this course. First of all, you will navigate to our homepage, which you should recognize here. You will then notice the list of folders on the left-hand side of your screen. You will scroll down until you see the WebEx icon here. You will then click on the WebEx icon and wait for it to load. Once it has loaded, you will see an event scheduled here. Let me, I don't know if I have another one to see. Okay, now you will see an event scheduled here. It will have the date and the time and a title that you recognize. You will click on it. Once you click on that, you will be redirected to this page here, which is the WebEx Central, WebEx dashboard, as you will. So the WebEx dashboard looks like this. In here, you will see like a work area where any files I have uploaded, videos I have uploaded, images that I want you to see will be visible to you. And then over here in the right-hand side, you will see a number of things. Up here, when you enter, your name should appear, just like mine is here. I will see a list of everyone in the class listed here. Below in this area here is our chat section. In the bottom is where you will enter whatever it is you would like to say. So if I, for example, ask you upon entering WebEx to write down your name, always capitalize your name. It's Amanda Fiore, and maybe I ask you to enter a timestamp so that I can see you writing down the time that you entered. You'll press enter. It will appear in this chat box here, and I'll be able to see who wrote it and your name. So your name is kind of redundant. I might not ask you to write that. We have a timestamp and whatever else I might have asked you to put. Okay, a couple of important things for you to know is that while I can adjust my screen to look like this, my adjustments will not be reflected for you. So if you would like to make your chat box bigger this way or smaller, if you would like to make it come down a little bit, you will need to pull from this line here to make it come down or to make it go up. That is all under your control and not mine. So while I might make this, arrange this to my liking, you will need to do that for yourselves. Another thing to notice are some of the interesting functions up here. I may sometimes ask you guys, raise your hand if you understand. This would be the way to do that. You will raise your hand if you understand. You will take it away when that question is over. I might ask you to write, give me a check mark if once you've completed your activity. And you will go ahead and put a check mark next to your name. Whatever I might ask, you can see it right up here. You'll click on it to put it there, click on it again to take it away. You do see some emojis here. If you wanted to tell me that you have a great idea, you can put a light bulb next to your name. These emojis are not for, they are not for the chat box, but they are for little symbols next to your name. So you can use those. Just don't use them if I've asked you to use something else. Okay? I think those are all the most essential things. One other thing I will add that you did not see here is when WebEx first launches, you get an option to enter the conference either through your computer or through your phone. Since you're using your computer, you're going to choose to enter through your computer. And I think that's all. I'm sure there will be more questions. As questions arise, please feel free to ask them by email, by text message. If we're in a WebEx meeting, then via WebEx. Please remember that if you have a question, probably everyone else, or not everyone else, many other people in the class will also have the same question. And so it's good for you to share your questions, voice your questions. There is no stupid question. I promise I won't make you feel badly about your question. You're bad about your question. Just ask it and we'll get it answered. I'm new to this too, so we're just kind of do it as we can and see what comes up, and I promise it'll be fine. Okay? So hopefully that was clear. Please close this video and go back to our WebEx conference as soon as it's finished. I'm sorry, and launch your WebEx conference. Enter it, start, and when you get there, please write your name. I'm sorry, not your name. Please write what you're doing at this moment and how happy you are to be in this class. See you back there. Bye.